should there be any issues with the governor, our deputy governor should consult widely with Abanyaribari and leaders from other clans. The deputy governor should therefore consult Abanyaribari on any political move to have votes on the stand. And these are the members of the relationship has back. This as a senior Muslim the county government from our deputy governor and be at the center to negotiate everybody in the county government. So any failure by the deputy governor to take up his role as Nyaribari people, we will be prompted to seek other ways of representation and liaison with the governor of Kisii County. We therefore distance ourselves and the entire people of Nyaribari from the stand that our deputy governor has taken by inviting his continue, calling for unity of Nyaribari for a common cause, and this is what we expect the deputy governor to lead us in doing, than running away from the county government even before. As our Nyaribari, you know, we are the largest clan and most populous, and so we are entitled for our rightful share in service delivery. And that is the end of our statement. We now want to call 2 members from Nyaribari to give a statement. And here I want to ask one lady by the name Monica Onchomba to give a statement.
Thank you.
Kegusini mzuri.
Era ni gotu ashirega bunu Munyaribari omugima. Kogikeria mang'ana deputy governor yakora. Deputy governor nigo yagosora Munyaribari omugima. Koreto muntu okorokosoro nyomba acha kukia Abanyaribari nyomba. Ekina kitu iguro borotu achira koba mobunu Munyaribari akora Munyaribari tutagete kobegente kamo nande nigo toregente kamo. Tote bimonda iga nintu twagerete akaira chikura. Tokamoseti ae simba advice buno mwana. Lakini omugako nande no morisi bwe kanisa. Semino bongaini ate bisimba gekogera aro mwana. Oka oretire osoro na ero gocha gukwana Nyaribari buna bari tu akwete tokaera. Oyo moiga monda koranje mogakata iyo Nyaribari ora korigi naje bwiye komigi botuko no mobaso no maete jinsa tu are goika nda sisi mabwana ni gwan tote bisimba naki inkyo momuroyo kwanya arera monda igo mogaka lakini toje tiko totebi kwa imo kiraje bwieka bwa moima ngotebi abantu ngo momuroyo mbuya gotenga moe rende musegane na diji mojo oburayi mbokora mbogenda roje mwamanyire koruo ngo mongora mokorete ngo mongora muri etutagete gotebi korigie njira abagaka abana abarisi baje obarigie baje bakabuo onye gosaba mabera baje bagotebi na kia mabera gosabwa oira negasi onye gasi teiyo onye gasi to kuchikotokorera rio okori saini mapema oruo ate ntobwatari baga ni intu chinguru tochoro monto mongao egento kende gia kabere mondane yo kwa nyumba omanye kogenda osoro nkia kuchikotoa iki osoro agotoa ogototige getigoro Munyaribari omugima tokumeti nganga itogotara gochingware gotoko osoro utarende tiseita Nyaribari bakatokogitera amache bwanje tibwanja nabagaka babwate chinguje nanda amache aito yatirimbo kibuya osoro norore kirakobe kachio bwato kesimba buna kwabo tokitorobere rwanyoko utigane simba akore emirimo nayo koraga ari na mukuma noera osoro nokuma noeyagia nosokia mbeo chinse mochons itukondi iyo simba tora motige uamuzi ni sisi wananchi.
Kao yegendeki.
Okay. Marietane yangu kwa choa nyakwama. Marietane yangu kwa choa nyakwama kurunyali balichaje. Wo mheshimiwa wetu Melchizedek une chairman auto coordinator abanyali bali kuruba paka chaje. Your Excellency Governor ayako kwene kelinga abanyali bali abakuruma saba paka chache ebade maiga yao kose bantali babanyali bali eya kabere Governor kerwa soto ukairu kotini ko ambigwe bina ebikwa gambete paka omwali yando kabua ekera kwabua ogachora Public Service Board ejo ekera ya soil office wetera se mo deputy omwanko gwaterana asoje kulika bona abanyali bali abana abanyali bali bali isiko abande bali geti kuritaya yaikera so mo deputy agutama Your Excellency eye igateba se koboya ekiagera intura abanyali bali etoko tebinga tori maiga yao naende goikabona iga etotagete nga onyore deputy onyore green pasture onyore bunyansi obobese asako endara agire buya tigatigera abanyali bali abakire kwaeri agenda obyeka ekiara abanyali bali bakutiga nyali bali sobo sibali egento kende abanyali bali mbali nelibaga mbali chinguru chogo kwa omokonyi ora egenderere Your Excellency eto kwene kelinga ao 10 year bosio nayo kogamba pako kore tamu eyo kerwa kore tamu ya 10 years kuruba tume koranga nyali bali naero ngera kimoko tubwatisia elindega tonyo na itwe gabana kurwo eli Kisii County enyar ko bego shine pia mono
Thank you so much. My name is Kerosi Ondieki. I'm an advocate and also the chairman of ODM and a Piwa Nyaribarian. I want to say that the actions of the deputy governor of moving from a position where he is representing us, Abanyaribari, without consultation is wrong. Yes. He should know that the constitution gives way for the to consult his people because he is representing his people. What he has done, he has made a decision, alone, an individual decision. It is him who will look for us, who will look for these people, and apologize to them. And it is us who is going to ask Simba Arati, the governor, either to forgive him or we ship out and we give him another person. Yes. Deputy governor must respect the people of Nyaribari Church and Nyaribari Masaba. Yes. And then after that, he respects the people of Kisii. His representation is not personal to him. He is not acting as a deputy governor as Monda, but he is acting on behalf of a community. Yes. Regional balancing is in the constitution, and he is representing a region. Yes. That region cannot therefore remain unrepresented in that government of Kisii. Yeah. We call upon the governor of Kisii County, His Excellency Paul Sibarat, whom we love, and who is working very well for us, to wait for us to give him a signal. Yes. Otherwise, for now, Deputy Governor Monda, wherever you are hiding, come out and look for us. We will not look for you. Yes. Thank you.